All right, cool. We're live. So I'm going to essentially finish off June for my backtesting on the iFVG model. So this is kind of how we're looking. Just moving all the way up, steadily, steadily, steadily. 78% run rate, which is about in line with what it is. Might be a little bit lower by the end of it, maybe down to like 75-ish percent. We'll see. Pretty good gains there. Was that almost 200% gain? So we're looking pretty good. Um, yeah, 61 wins, 17 losses, pretty decent. Biggest loss is 1.7%. Biggest win is 5.8. Average win 2%. Blah blah blah. Average duration 5 minutes. So if I'm taking a loss, I take a loss very quickly. Max consecutive wins 10. Average consecutive wins is about 4. It's pretty good. Average consecutive losses is about 1. So pretty decent. And here's how we're looking. So let's hop back into it. Whoops, sessions. Yeah, May has been the worst month so far. A lot of losses in May and not very much gains in May. Something that I realize. Um, June started pretty well, so we'll see how it continues. Sure, I get everything situated. Oops. Oh, yeah, hour minute chart. As you know, 9:45 is where I go to, unless we have news, which doesn't appear we do. So 9:45 is about here. Yeah, there we go. What is order flow telling me? Order flow is telling me we're going higher. And it's also telling me that I don't have any trades. Now, I'm looking at this. What did we do? We set this, we got this. Um, am I willing to take a short from here? I don't think so. Well, you know what? Let's do it. Why not? Kind of fits the parameters. We have the inverse. Break even point's pretty quick. Target these equal lows. I personally think this is one that gets smoked. Set that to 3. Save. Let's see. Okay, cool. Break even. And yeah, break even. All right. So now we're back bullish, obviously, because that's where price is going overall. Boom. Cover it low. In terms of targets, I don't really have one, to be honest. This is a very short target, but um, how am I doing this? Probably doing this like this, if I'm being honest. So where's that? That's where I will target. Place order 3, and let's see, do we get smoked or not? Yeah, we're getting smoked 100%. Once we start fiddling like that, we typically get smoked. Yeah. So we get smoked, and we keep it pushing. And this is a lot of trades, but yeah, I don't have a target, which is always an issue. I'm also having equal lows here, so I'm against shaking this. Too many equal lows, getting distracted. 1040. Probably just a bad day to take trades, to be honest with you. But that's the day. So on to the next. Let's see what we got. 45 out here. clearly going lower. Very much clearly going lower. Or not. Mm, nah, it's something I'm going on. But, ooh, I think that's it there. That's high. Target. Slow. Place order. 3. Yeah, now it's break even. Okay, cool. Break even. I'll take 60% of this one. So yeah, like nowish. And I'll take 60% there. Boom. And then let the rest run. Boom. Good trade, as far as I'm concerned. I don't know what this is doing right this second. I really don't. This is a actually now that I look at it, a very nice V-shaped recovery. So probably going higher, but um, kind of don't really know what it's doing. Looking at this like this looks long. Do I have a target in mind? No. This could just ruin everything that I just did, but we'll see. Target dot. This could very easily just ruin everything I just did. Also feeling since I'm live streaming, I feel like I'm taking more trades than normal. I'm getting smoked. That's a bad trade. I feel like I'm rushing almost. I'm gonna replay that because that was a stupid trade. Rushed trade. Especially after I said I don't know what the hell I'm doing there. Um, I kind of just don't. If I'm looking at this, I have equal lows. Equal lows get swept. Great. So now what I would look at is this one, but now we've just created more equal lows. I haven't closed above yet. More equal lows. Come on, sweep them. There we go. So that's swept. Now, do I have an understanding of where I'm going? Absolutely not. It's also 11 o'clock. So on to the next. And very clearly, we just dropped forever low. What the hell just happened there? I bet. So news at 10 o'clock. So I don't usually take trades before 10 if there's news. So let it run to 10 o'clock like that, and I'll figure out where we're going. It's looking like we're going short. So how can I get in short? That's something I've been looking at in terms of how to do that, especially when it's running away. Oh man. Oh, that might be it there. But do I have a target? I don't think so. I don't have any liquidity. I don't have a target. I don't think this is wise. Okay, how I'd play this is if we come up here and sweep these, and then we go lower. And okay, do we sweep this one? Let's see. No, not yet. All right, bet. So that looks like it's sweep there. Okay. That's just based off my understanding of how price rolls or rocks and rolls. I would do it like that. This is a good trade. Win or loss, I'd take this pretty much every time. It's a good trade. That one. Based off my standards, it's a really good trade. It's an A plus trade in my opinion. Let's see. Or where am I going to break even? Yeah, about there. Yeah, probably should have taken profit at that low, if I'm being honest. So where exactly are we? I want us to come a little bit lower. Like that, pretty much. Ah, man. Oh my days. Can you just close below? All right, bet. I'll take 50% there. 60% there, sorry. Let the rest run, man. Chalk it up to the game. Imagine if I didn't take my profit. Good lord. I got greedy on that one though. I'm not gonna hold you. Definitely got greedy on that. Okay, well, on to the next. Oh, it's Friday. Okay. So Friday again. So we should be good there. All right, so Monday. Let's 9:45. Boom. What are we doing? Where are we in price? We swept this low. Just made 20th low. May 30th low. All right. 9:45. I don't see too much liquidity here, in my opinion. Yeah, not really touching that until something gets swept. Something. Too much trendline liquidity coming up here, right? All right, boom. So there we go. Jeez. That works. Kinda. All right, boom. That really works there. So it's going much lower. All right, this is something I'm gonna start testing soon, which is like order block continuations and when to take them. So I've noticed there have been days where price just flies and I haven't been able to get any type of entry. Ah, shoot. So was it? I don't feel very confident in this. I think this will be a break-even trade. Something like this. Oops. Something like this. What is it that I'm trading? This here. That. I don't really like it, but hey, place order. It's gonna be break even pretty quick, or this will be a loss. Yeah, it says a loss. Yeah, it says stupid trade. I've gone to the point now where I'm like, I can tell which ones are high probability and which ones are pretty shit. I don't trade those. Normally, I wouldn't trade those. I've also learned that order flow liquidity is one, order flow is 1A or 1B. I've kind of learned that through what I've been doing. So through the backtesting, you want to liquidity one, order flow 1B. If you have both of those in alignment, you're golden. I bet. All right, cool. So break even for sure. Let's see what happens. I'm hating I can't see the. Oh, damn, I'm at 50% already. I like taking the. Uh, I like taking. I'm gonna get smoked here or not. I like taking 60% at 50%. If that makes sense. Definitely take that there. Let the rest of this run. That's why you do it. All right, so somewhere down here, 60%. That's a win, man. Count those wins. Count those wins because they do. They add up. doesn't add up. What did I just do? They 100% add up. All right, so looking at so we're accumulating to go higher. This might be just a consolidation day though. So let's see 45. Damn, I was wrong. Going lower. Um, hmm, that would have been a fire trade, but I don't have any justification for really getting them out. Did we suit these? Yes, we did, but we still have this point down here. So we still have this point. So we just created equals. So I'd actually be inclined to look for the shorts here. Like, no. Oh, no, I can't take it because we just hit my break-even point. So, yeah, never mind. Never mind. Yeah, this is something that I definitely want to, like, I don't know how to word it. Oh, I think I just missed the entry, maybe. You got the equals swept. So now I'll do this. Oh, this is a loss actually. Yeah, I probably shouldn't take this at all. This is a loss, but I will indulge. Why is it a loss? Well, yeah, we did sweep liquidity here. However, this is now equals to this, so I don't really have confidence that we're coming all the way back up here. Exactly, as I stated. I can tell these losses, which is good. Or if, oh, we'll see. In this one, we have liquidity. Where's liquidity? Right? We said liquidity was here, but where's 1A and 1B? What's 1B? The order flow. Order flow is clearly telling us we're going lower. We don't want to go higher. So why am I looking to trade long when it's telling me I should be trading short? That's kind of how I've been doing this, right? So we got equals. Sweep those equals and go lower, or you just go lower like that. So now this bottom one has been taken. Can't take it because it's already taken my thing, my break even point. I'm all set. So on to the next day. Ooh, okay. 45. This is telling me not to trade this day. Mm, Order flow's telling me we're going up. But I don't have an entry to go up from. Mhm. This looks like an entry to go up from. Is it 10 o'clock yet? Yeah. So I'm gonna put that on there. Price shouldn't go below. Break even point is as high. Target is. I have no idea. Is there no target? No. I'll do this one. Let's do my new target. Oops. Exactly is that. I actually think that is a little bit below this. Right on it. So there we go. So a little bit for this order. I mean, this one's a really good one actually. Barely gonna lose any money on it. And that looks like break even there to me. It's a good trade. Dude, not being able to move it, that's so soon doing. It's a pain in the butt. Yeah, probably should be taking 60%. 60%. Well, 66. Take that. Let the rest play out. If I'm ready in a trade, I don't typically take a second trade. Just never rocks like that. Reacting to this FVG and smoked. So yeah, take it while I can, man. It's just kind of how I've always been. So is there somewhere else I can take a trade? Potentially. Just come back here. Is order flow telling me on that? All right. Liquidity's been swept. Building a lot of liquidity here. Not to sweep it. Sweep it over pain. Now, okay, cool. Perfect example. This order flow is telling me we're going short. I'm gonna get in a long. This will be a loss. All right. Whoops. Yeah, like that. Based on this, I should be coming back up to these highs. Remember, I'm saying this is a loss. This is a perfect example of a loss. Because order flow is telling me, ah, shoot, I might have been break even there actually. Might have been able to make it break even. Ah, yeah. Well, I would have made this one break even. I'm gonna delete this one still, but right, yeah. Wait, am I not out? What the hell? Yeah, there we go. But this one is in my opinion not a good trade. Not a good trade at all. Surprised that one didn't just tap me out one time. Well, maybe because we had the equals above it, but not a trade I'd take ever. It's a stupid trade. Okay, where are we at? 9:45. What's it telling me? It's telling me we want to go lower. If we're going lower, where are we going lower from? That's what I like to say. Well, we're coming back up. We're sweeping liquidity. Where is our FEG? Right there. We just closed it. Oops. Short. There we go. We just closed it. If I'm targeting, where the hell am I targeting? Another great question. This is also a sweep of liquidity here. Internal liquidity. This is what this is telling me to come all the way down here. Do I think we get down here? Absolutely not. However, I'm still going to take it because that's what my system says to take. So save. Can't see. That should be break even there. And we'll probably get tapped to break even, to be honest. Right. Cool. And that's the trade. Done and dusted. And as you can see, the direction is correct. But if you break even, you break even then. And that break even has saved me more times than it's hurt. So okay, cool. So we just swapped the lows. Looks like we're going lower. It also looks as though we just close above. Right? Price is kind of slowing down in this area. Don't really like these trades either, really. Don't really like these trades either. I think those highs are pretty good. These equals are probably pretty good. So let's watch it go. Watch us get this one. I think we will. Hmm. This one I think we get smoked on. Well, no, we don't. Break even. There we go. It's absolutely nothing. Follow the order flow rule though, it will tell you that we're going short. But still, with the order flow rule, we still don't have anything. What I'm trying to learn now is the order flow rule. Like order flow is going one direction, and we have room order flow wise. How do I get in? Because obviously there's nothing here for me to get in on. But how do I get in? And there's a super liquidity. That's what I'm that's my next thing that I'm gonna start looking at. It's like, no. Oh, was it 11? Damn, 11 o'clock. All right, go to the next one. Okay. 9:45. All right, yo, what's this telling me? As of right now, it's telling me we're going higher. We swept this liquidity, we're going higher, probably targeting that. So, how do I get in? That's actually valid, believe it or not. Someone's telling me that's coming lower though. This is valid, but something's telling me we're coming lower before we go higher. Like that. Target, target, target. I'll do the two standard Ds of this, like so. So sorter. Three, save, and let's see what happens. Damn, break even. American taps break even here. What the hell? Yeah, there we go. Okay, that break even rule has saved me more times than not. That's what I'll say. What I tell you, more times than not. So, still looking long. Maybe. Yeah, no, I'm still looking long. Still no entry short though, so it's literally no entry short, so it don't matter. Still no entry short. Damn, this thing is crazy. See, I need to be able to get in on these types of trades, right? Where price is just tanking. And yeah, I'm be able to get in on them. Oh, it's not a bad one there. Oh, excuse me. Short that up. My computer's sticky. It's not a bad one like that. So let's see. Okay, let's break even. Yo, I'm gonna take the 65 after that low. Well, damn, look at that. That is crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That should be a win. Damn, that should be a win. Is there a way? Hmm. Yeah, that should be a win, 100%. Is there a way to set a limit at that? If I set a limit, I'm gonna try something actually. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna try something. I don't know if it'll work, but I'll try it. All right, bet. So this is the entry that we're taking. Yeah, fine. Save. But then I want to do a buy limit at this level. Will that let me do a buy limit? No, maybe. Oh, no, no, no. No. So long. I wonder how this will work. If I do it on TradingView, it works fine, and I don't know how it will work here. So I'm gonna try it and just kind of see what happens. So this place order by limit, and I want this to be 2. Yeah, let's kind of see what happens. Does it take off the? Does it? No, it doesn't look like it does. No, I didn't. I took a loss and a win. All right, so let's scrap that. Just go back and I don't know how to fucking do that, but I'll do it as on the candle before. I'll just close it out. I think that's the best option. Market 3. I think that's the best option. So like here, I'll just close like that. Yeah, break even. I think that's the best option. And that's unfortunate. Okay, well, what happens? We keep on going. Keep on going. That's pretty much the end of the day. Do I want to go to another week? Yeah, let's do it. Let's do one more week. One more week. One more week. Got a little bit of a headache. All right, cool. So Monday, 9:30. As you know, we go to 9:45. Figure out what's price doing. So what's the order flow telling me? We're grinding up. Probably taking liquidity here to go higher. However, if I don't have any entries, then I don't have any entries. And I kind of just got to respect that. I have nothing. I have nothing. 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 Oh, liquidity would be great. I have absolutely nothing. Mm. All right. Liquidity. Sweet. What time is it? Ah, damn, 11 o'clock. Can't take it. Just a no trade day. That was pretty garbage. Next. 10:45. What we got? We're still going higher. Come down to go higher or not. Mm, Prefer these to get swept before doing anything. This is garbage, PA. Garbage, PA. Straight out on. 10:42. One might be it. Shut this low. Still garbage, PA though. But so I look at it a particular way. In all honesty, a day like today, a day like this, I wouldn't even be trading it. I'd be going outside and just doing what I gotta do. And typically, I don't trade Mondays, although this is a Tuesday. But oh, bad trade, bad trade. Yeah, bad trade. The whole day was pretty trash. There's no need to trade this. That was very impulsive of me. It's a bad trade. It's a bad trade. All right, so there's absolutely nothing. Go to the next day. This looks a lot better. Order flows bullish. 45. I actually think that's that's it right there. I like you do right there. In terms of targets, I don't have a clue. I don't have a clue. I just pull out my handy dandy. This one I actually think is pretty good. So if we lose this one, that's fine. Um, why is this one pretty good? You have this you have this liquidity point that was swept, who came back through, and now we're going higher. So yeah, I don't know how I. All right, no need to do anything stupid here. Take that off. Let the rest run. I'll tell you, I'd be hot if he came all the way back down. There we go. Boom. Good trade. I'd be hot if we were all the way up here, came all the way back down, and didn't take profit. Oh, I'd be hot. It's a really good trade, though. I don't think there's any need to trade the rest of this particular day, especially since the target's been hit. This target. Uh, this target here, since that's been hit, there's no need to trade the rest of the day. Um, that's a pretty good spot to end at, actually. So let's kind of look at our performance for the month. It's pretty linear. Pretty linear. We're going pretty much straight up. 78.2%. If you eradicate those stupid trades that I know are losses but still took. So let's kind of just look at this here. All right, cool. So we've just been progressing pretty linear. Yeah, Mondays. I don't trade Mondays in real life because of this. Like, well, look at that, man. You get almost 60% win rate on Mondays. But this is a good thing. This is what we want to come and see, all right? So we've got one loss or two losses, not sure. Probably one loss. Loss and break even, win, break even, win, two break even in the same day. This looks like a loss and a win, or a break even and a win. Yeah, fairly decent. Um, when it's all said and done, I mean, clearly, I mean, you look at Fridays do way better winning wise than losses. All right, there's probably like two, maybe three losses in here. But you look at Monday. Monday is just a loss magnet. We don't really make too much money on Mondays. So those are the types of things I'm looking at now in my trading. But yeah, I think it's a pretty decent trading that I've been doing. Buys and sells. Obviously, you can see my win rate. My win rate on sells is higher actually. I win about half the amount of trades that I place. Break even a lot also. So yeah, it's not bad, man. It's not bad. All right. that's pretty much going to be it for this one.